Hey guys, um, find some dumplings for breakfast. Making some fried dumplings for breakfast. Just turning these before they get bread. Okay. So, making some fried dumplings for breakfast. I think I'm gonna be having this with some cannelloni saltfish. So when it's finished, I will show you the finished product. So this is my fried dumplings